Hi guys, welcome to the Orbit of the Coding. I'm Alok Mukhya and today I'm going to present what is extension method in C Sharp. So extension method is static method of static class where this modifier is applied to the first parameter. The type of first parameter will be the type of extended method and I will show you the important point of extension method. What is the main point? So binding parameters are those parameters which are used to bind the new method with the existing class. So binding parameter always in first parameter with the keyword this. Later I will show you in an example. So extension method are always defined in the static method, but when they are bound with any class or a structure, they will convert into non-static method. Extension method does not support method overriding. It must be defined in top level static class. Multiple binding parameters are not allowed means an extension method. The concept of extension method cannot be applied to the field property or events. Overuse of extension method is not good style of programming. I will show you in a later. So the concept of method cannot be applied. So this is the all about. So the question is when we use extension method. Suppose if you define suppose if you define a class. Suppose if you define a class A, and this is the two method one and method two. So I want to extend a class A, then we need to create an extension method in some scenario, like if you declare a class in a sealed class, then we cannot increase the we cannot use the inheritance, we cannot extend the class. So in this scenario, if a class is sealed, then we can use extension method to extend the particular methods. So this is the class A, and I will create a two method A, method one, and I have to define in method context. So context, so this is the example of method A1, and same copy paste to the method 2, and after that I create a extension method with the type of static class, and we have create a new extension method, and we have bound the parameter that's on your slide, bound the parameter with the class A with this keyword, and this is the parameters. So also we have provide some explanation. This is the new extension method. So I want to extend class A1 with new extension method on a class A. So I will create a parameter of class A, object A1 equals to new object A. On that object, you will see extension. So this is the instance of a class A1 object A1. So laterally in object A1 we have defined a two method 1 and method 2, and we have create an extender method and define to extend a method. I will show you. If I object A1 dot, then you can see extension method, the method 1, and this is the defined method in a class A1, but this is the new extension method which is extended to a class A1. So extended method are, if you need to go to the intelligence, then we do the symbol of arrow down symbol. If any method symbol arrow down method, then you can see this is the extension method of any other classes. So, so you can call extension method. So to run the particular execute the particular program, you can see the output. So this is the build succeed. It will take some time. So new extension method will be printed. You can also this is the and I will show you what is the benefit of extension method. So this is the benefit of extension method. Like extension method allow existing class to be extended without relying on inheritance or having changed the class source code. If the class is sealed, then there is no concept of extending its functionality. For this, a new concept is introduced, in other words, extension method. You can add new method in the existing class without modifying the source code. So without modifying a source code, you can add a new class. Also I will give you on some example. You can also extend integer, string, any type of parameter. So I will create a public static each event. So this is the extension method, and I want to extend the integer value. This int I, if I percentile 2 equals to 0, then control dot, I don't know, this is even number. Can declare a type, that's why so it is showing. So I will show you now programs. We'll check this number even or not. 12, I will declare a 12 I dot is even. So what is the error? No overload method is even take one parameter, so I don't need to. Yeah, so I will check 12 is even number or not. So this is the, we have declared a letter extension method is even. So this is even number 12, right? And else, and not even number. So I will type 30 and check that is even number or not. So this even method. So this is not a even number. So this is all about extension method. So if you need any assistant, or if you need have any query about extension method, you can put comment in the comment box, so I will explain and I will solve your query. So thank you everyone, and also you can like, subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye bye.